Dear students, today I want to explain the homogenization in pair of straight line chapter, the second part. Now, suppose a curve is given and a straight line is also given. Suppose they are intersecting at 2 points A and B. If you join these 2 points A and B to the origin, you will get a pair of straight lines, OA and OB. How to get these two lines? Suppose the curve equation is like this: ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And this line is, let us take that line as lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. These two are intersecting at A and B. We have to get OA and OB combined equation. First of all, you have to make this line equal to 1, that is lx plus my is equal to minus n. To get 1 on the right side, divide both sides by minus n, that is lx plus my by minus n is equal to 1. Now, you have to make this equation homogeneous with this one. Ax square second degree you need not touch. This is also second degree term, this is also second degree term. Now this is a first degree term, you have to multiply with 1, that is with lx plus my by n. This is also first degree term, multiply with 1 means with multiply with lx plus my by n. And the last one is constant. To get second degree terms, you multiply this c with 1 square, that is with this lx plus my by minus n whole square you have to multiply. Then you will get like this: ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx into 1. 1 means I have to write this one, lx plus my by minus n. Now x into x, x square, x into y, x, second degree terms only you are getting. Now 2fy, 2f into 1 again, 2fy into 1. 1 means this one only, lx plus my by minus n. Now fy into lx, that is xy term you are getting, y into y square, second degree terms only you are getting. And now it is c. c into 1 square you have to write, you have to multiply the constant with 1 square means square of this one, that is lx plus my by minus n whole square is equal to 0. Now here you will get x square term, y square term and x square term only. Now all terms are changed to either x square or y square or xy. That means this is a second degree homogeneous equation. You know that a second degree homogeneous equation always represents a pair of lines passing through the origin, and the equation of those two lines is obtained by making the equation of the curve homogeneous by using the equation of the straight line. That's why those two lines pass through the common points of the curve and the straight line also. So this equation is nothing but the combined equation of OA and OB. Now see this question. Find the angle between the lines obtained by joining the origin to the points of intersection of that curve and this line 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now as I told you previously, if a curve and line intersect at 2 points A and B, you will get the equations of OA and OB by making the equation of the curve homogeneous with the equation of the straight line. Now how to make it homogeneous? I will tell you. Now given curve, that is S is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. And straight line L is equal to 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. To make it homogeneous, first of all let us write, let the curve and the straight line intersect at A and B. Now by making homogeneous of this equation with this one, now 3x minus y is equal to minus 1. From the straight line equation, 3x minus y is equal to minus 1. From this we must make it 1. That's why divide both sides by minus 1. This implies 3x minus y by minus 1 is equal to 1. If you multiply the numerator and denominator with minus 1, this will become y minus 3x. That implies y minus 3x is equal to 1. So we have got 1 on the right side. Now let us make this equation homogeneous with this equation by making s is equal to 0, that equation, curve equation, homogeneous with y minus 3x is equal to 1. The equation of OA and OB is, now let us make it homogeneous. X square, 2xy and y square terms you need not change because they are already second degree terms. Only have to change these three, that is x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x into 1, you have to write, plus 2x into 1. 1 means you have to write y minus 3x plus 2y into 1, 2y into y minus 3x minus 5 into 1 square you have to write, that is y minus 3x whole square is equal to 0. Now you have to simplify this equation, you will get a second degree homogeneous equation. That implies x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2xy minus 6x square plus 2y square minus 6xy. You will get y square first into minus 5, minus 5y square plus 9x square into minus 5, minus 45x square minus 6xy into minus 5 plus 30xy is equal to 0. Now let us write x square terms first. X square minus 6x square means minus 5x square minus 45x square, that is minus 50x square, minus 50x square. Next xy term, 2xy plus 2xy, 4xy minus 6xy minus 2xy plus 30 means plus 28xy, 28xy. Now y square terms, y square plus 2y square, 3y square minus 5y square means minus 2y square is equal to 0. So that implies you can cancel minus 2 in all the terms. If you divide with minus 2, you will get 25x square minus 14xy, because you are dividing with minus 2, plus y square is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. It is a homogeneous equation, second degree equation x and y. So it must represent the pair of lines. That is, this is the equation of OA and OB. Now we have to find out the angle between these two lines. Now by comparing this equation, by comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, a is equal to 25, b is equal to y square coefficient, that is 1, 2hxy, 2h is minus 14, so h is equal to minus 7. Now let us take this angle between these two lines OA and OB as theta. Let angle AOB equal to theta. Now we have to find out cos theta value. Now what is cos theta formula is modulus of a plus b by square root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. You write the values. A plus b means 25 plus 1 by root of a minus b whole square, 25 minus 1 whole square plus 4 into h square. H square is plus 49. Now that is equal to 26 by root of 25 minus 1 is 24, square is 576. 576 plus 4 into 49, 196. Now add those two, 26 by 6 plus 6, 12. 772. That is cos theta value. So you can write 772 as 26 by square root of 4 into 193. If you write 4 outside, 26 by 2 into root 193. So cancel this by 13 times. This is cos theta value. Cos theta is equal to 13 by root 193. Therefore, theta is equal to cos inverse 13 by root 193. Now say this question. Here also there is a curve and a line. Now we have to show that the two lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of the curve and the lines, suppose they are A and B, then you have to show that OA is perpendicular to OB. That means you have to prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. Now let us write the equation of the curve first. Let S is equal to 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 8 is equal to 0. L is equal to line 3x minus y is equal to 2. First of all, we have to make it equal to 1. This implies 3x minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by dividing both sides by 2. Now let us assume that the curve and the line are intersecting at A and B. Let S is equal to 0 and L is equal to 0 or intersecting at A and B. Now how to get the equation of OA and OB? We have to make the equation of the curve homogeneous with this one. That is equation of OA and OB is, now let us make it homogeneous, is 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square. Now up to here second degree terms. Now first degree term is there, multiply that with 1. 1 means 3x minus y by 2. That is plus 2x into 1. 1 means 3x minus y by 2. Minus 4y into 1. Minus 4y into 1 means again 3x minus y by 2. Minus 8 into 1 square. That is 3x minus y by 2 whole square equal to 0. That is, so here you can cancel 2. Here also you can cancel this 2. Now this is 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square. 2 is cancelled, x into 3x, 3x square minus xy minus 2y into 3x minus 6xy minus 2y into minus y plus 2y square. Here this will become 4 because the square is there. 8 by 4 into, expand this one, 3x minus y whole square, that is 9x square minus 6xy plus y square equal to 0. Now you cancel this by 2 times. Now final equation, that is 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 3x square minus xy minus 6xy plus 2y square minus 2 into 9x square minus 18x square minus 2 into minus 6xy plus 12xy minus 2y square equal to 0. Now let us simplify this one. 7x square plus 3x square, 10x square minus 18x square, that is minus 8x square, minus 8x square. Next xy terms, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 minus 4xy minus xy minus 5xy minus 6xy minus 11xy plus 12xy, that is plus xy. Next y square terms, 8y square plus 2y square, 10y square, and this 2y square is cancelled. So only 8y square is there, is equal to 0. Now to avoid minus sign in the beginning, divide both sides by, or else you can compare with the general equation by comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. A is equal to minus 8, b is equal to 8, 2h is 1, so h is equal to 1 by 2. Now here a plus b is 0. We know that cos theta is a plus b by root of a minus b whole square. The cos theta is a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So that is, what is cos theta now? A plus b, minus 8 plus 8 by root of a minus b whole square, minus 8 whole square plus 4 into 1 by 4, that is 1, but numerator is 0. So 0 by something, that is 0. So cos theta is equal to 0 means theta is 90. That implies theta is equal to 90 degrees. That implies OA perpendicular to OB. That means these two lines OA and OB are mutually perpendicular. Now see this question. This is a curve and this is a line. They are intersecting at 2 points A and B. We have to show that OA is perpendicular to OB. Now let us write the curve and the straight line. Let S is equal to curve equation x square minus xy plus y square plus 3x plus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0, and take the given line as L is equal to 0, x minus y minus root 2 is equal to 0. Now let us assume that the curve and the line intersect at A and B. Assume that the curve and the line intersect at A and B. Now first of all we have to make this straight line equation to 1, equal to 1. So x minus y is equal to root 2 is given. Now to get 1 on the right side, divide both sides by root 2. That implies x minus y by root 2 is equal to 1. Now by using this 1, we have to make it homogeneous in the given equation of the curve. Then you will get a quadratic, second degree homogeneous equation. That is nothing but equation of OA and OB. Equation of OA and OB is x square minus xy plus y square plus 3x into 1. 1 means this one you have to write, x minus y by root 2 plus 3y into 1, x minus y by root 2 minus 2 into 1 square, that is x minus y by root 2 whole square equal to 0. Now here root 2 is LCM. Here this will become 2. 2 will be cancelled with this. So you can cancel. So it is x square minus xy plus y square plus 3x square minus 3xy 3xy by root 2 plus 3xy minus 3y square by root 2 minus 2 by 2. This root 2 square will become 2. X square minus 2xy plus y square is equal to 0. Cancel this 2. Now root 2 is LCM. Take LCM and cross multiplication also. You will have to multiply all the terms with root 2. Root 2 x square minus root 2 xy plus root 2 y square. Here already root 2 is there. So 3x square minus 3xy. 3x square minus 3xy plus 3xy plus 3xy minus 3y square. So here you will get root 2 minus root 2 x square minus into minus plus 2 root 2 xy minus root 2 y square equal to 0. Now that implies you can cancel root 2 x square and minus root 2 x square, root 2 y square and minus root 2 y square, and 3xy and minus 3xy, and so what are the terms left? First x square terms 3x square, other terms are cancelled. So you will get 3x square minus root 2 xy plus 2 root 2 xy, that is root 2 xy minus 3y square is equal to 0. Now by comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 3, and 2h is to root 2. 2h is equal to root 2. But see here, a is 3 and b is minus 3. So whenever a plus b is 0, that is cos theta is a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Whenever a plus b is 0, theta, that is numerator is 0. So cos theta is 0. So theta must be 90 degrees. Since a plus b is equal to 0, angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. That implies OA perpendicular to OB. Now say this question. We have to find the value of k if the line joining the points of intersection of this curve and this line are mutually perpendicular. We have to find out the value of k. K is there in the equation of the straight line. This is x plus 2y is equal to k. Now let us take the curve as s is equal to 0. Let s is equal to 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Straight line. L is equal to, or you write straight line, x plus 2y is equal to k. To make it 1, you can write it as x plus 2y by k is equal to 1. Now let us assume that the line and the curve intersect at A and B. Let the curve and straight line intersect at A and B. Equation of OA and OB. Equation of OA and OB is, we have to make the equation of the curve homogeneous with the equation of the straight line. Then you will get the equation of OA and OB. That means, that implies 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x into 1. 2x into 1 means x plus 2y by k minus y into 1, again x plus 2y by k minus 1 into 1 square x plus 2y by k whole square is equal to 0. Now k square is LCM. Take LCM and cross multiplication. That is 2k square x square minus 2k square xy plus 3k square y square. Already k is there, it goes k times. So 2kx into x, 2k x square, 2kx into 2y, 4k xy. Here only k is there, so LCM is k square. So it goes k times, ky into x minus kxy and minus ky into 2y, minus 2k y square. Here minus x square minus 4y square plus 2xy means minus 4xy is equal to 0. Now let us simplify this equation. Write x square terms first. 2k square, this is one term and this is another term. Take x square common, that implies 2k square plus 2k minus 1 into x square. Next xy terms. This is one term, this is another term, this is another. So plus minus 2k square plus 4k minus k minus 4 into xy. Next y square terms. 3k square minus 2k minus 4 into y square is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. By comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, we get what is a? The first bracket is a. A is equal to, I will write it here, A is equal to 2k square plus 2k minus 1. B is equal to this bracket 3k square minus 2k minus 4. Here h value is not required because angle is already given as 90 degrees. As OA perpendicular to OB, this is given because those two lines are mutually perpendicular. We have to find out k value only. A plus b is equal to 0. A plus b is equal to 0. That implies what is A? 2k square plus 2k minus 1 plus 3k square minus 2k minus 4 equal to 0. Minus 2 can plus 2 k are cancelled. 2k square plus 3k square, 5k square minus 5 is equal to 0. That is 5k square is equal to 5. If you cancel 5 on both sides, you will get k square is equal to 1. That implies k is equal to plus or minus 1. Those are the two values for k. Now say this question. Find the condition for the chord Lx plus my is equal to 1 of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square to subtend a right angle at the origin. So this AB is the chord and this is the given circle. What is the condition for angle AOB to be 90 degrees? That is the question. Now here let us assume, let us take the curve first. Curve is circle. Let S is equal to x square plus y square minus a square is equal to 0, and that chord Lx plus my is equal to 1. It is already given as 1. Now let us assume that the chord intersect the circle at A and B. Let the chord intersect the circle at A and B. Now we have to get the equation of the combined equation of OA and OB. How to get that equation? By making the equation of the circle homogeneous with the equation of the chord. Equation of OA and OB is, let us make it homogeneous with this one, that is x square plus y square minus a square into 1 square, but 1 is Lx plus my, whole square you have to put, is equal to 0. Let us simplify this. That implies x square plus y square, you will get L square x square first, that is minus a square L square x square, m square y square into minus a square m square into y square, 2 lmxy into minus a square minus 2a square lmxy is equal to 0. Now you write x square terms at one place, x square minus a square L square x square, that is 1 minus a square L square into x square minus 2 a square L m x y, next y square terms, plus 1 minus a square m square into y square is equal to 0. By comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, we get, what is a here? Coefficient of x square. A is equal to 1 minus a square L square, and b is equal to coefficient of y square 1 minus a square m square. I can write coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square you can write instead, because a is there in both. Coefficient of x square is equal to 1 minus a square L square, and coefficient of y square is equal to 1 minus this one a square m square. Because angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square must be 0, because cos theta is cos 90, that is 0, a plus b must be 0. Since angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees, that implies coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. That implies this plus this must be 0. 1 minus a square L square plus 1 minus a square m square equal to 0. If you bring a square L square and a square m square to the right side, 1 plus 1, 2 is equal to a square L square plus a square m square. Therefore, final condition is a square into L square plus M square is equal to 2. That is the condition for the chord Lx plus My is equal to 1 to subtend a right angle at the center of the circle, that is at the origin. Now say this question. Find the condition for the line joining the origin to the points of intersection of this circle and the line Lx plus My is equal to 1 to coincide. Those two lines must be coinciding. Now let us take this curve as S is equal to 0. S is equal to x square plus y square minus a square is equal to 0. Given line Lx plus My is equal to 1. Now let us assume that that line and this curve intersect at A and B. Let the curve and the line intersect at A and B. How to get the equation of OA and OB? By making the equation of the circle homogeneous with this line, you will get OA and OB. So the equation of OA and OB is, we have to make it homogeneous. This is second degree, this is second degree, this is constant. So x square plus y square minus a square into 1 square you have to write. But 1 square is Lx plus My whole square equal to 0. Now let us simplify this equation. That implies x square plus y square minus L square x square into minus a square L square x square 2 Lm xy into minus a square 2 Lm xy minus a square m square y square equal to 0 after expansion and multiplying with minus a square. Now write x square terms first. X square and a square L square x square, that is 1 minus a square L square into x square minus 2a square Lm xy. Now y square terms, this is 1 minus a square m square into y square is equal to 0. Now by comparing with the general equation, by comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. A means this is A in the general equation, but this A is different from this A. A is equal to 1 minus a square L square and B is equal to 1 minus a square m square, and 2h is minus 2a square Lm. So h is equal to, remove that 2, minus a square Lm. Now it is given that the two lines OA and OB are coinciding. Whenever the two lines coincide, the condition is h square is equal to AB. Now if OA coincides with OB, the condition is h square is equal to A into B. What is h square here? A power 4 L square m square. A power 4 L square m square is equal to A into B. This into this. 1 minus A square L square into 1 minus a square m square. That implies a power 4 L square m square is equal to 1 into 1 1 minus a square m square minus a square L square plus minus into minus plus a power 4 L square m square. Now you can cancel this term on both sides. Bring this a square m square and a square L square to the left side. A square L square plus a square m square is equal to 1. take a square common, a square into L square plus m square is equal to 1. That is the condition for the two lines OA and OB to coincide.